Hey everybody. I was on my way to go get Charlie today from school, and I saw something in the mailbox. So yeah, it's for Charlie. Who's it from, Charlie?
John Bob.
Yeah. You guys are nuts. Totally freaking nuts.
That's my knife. He won't let me use.
Let's open this end.
I think it's
See
an
that?
axe. I think it's an axe.
See that?
It feels like an axe, like a baby axe.
Another package from West Virginia.
West Virginia.
Okay, Charlie, now that I got it cut open, now you can get it out of there. Safety first, right? Be careful.
It's an axe.
Oh my gosh, look at that thing! LiL Taz. Oh, I love it! In West Virginia. From West Virginia. Look at that. Can you see that? I don't know if the lighting's going to allow you guys to see that. LiL Taz. Oh my gosh, look at that cute little thing. The splitter. Splitter. Look at that. It is so stinking cool. What is that? Is that like a framing hammer thing? Or something? It's sharp, Charlie. It's sharp. Be careful with that. Oh man, that'd be a great throwing axe. Throwing hatchets?
Yeah.
Gosh, that is awesome. Look at the splitting profile on it, Charlie.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Cheeks. Little baby cheeks. What is it? I can't read it, Charlie.
Does it say chicken?
I can't read it. Here, talk to him. I'm gonna go get my glass. Did you talk to him?
No.
What? I'm sorry she left you on silent mode. They still can't read it. Something Axe Company. That's pretty cool. What do you want to say, Charlie?
Thank you.
That's pretty special. That is pretty special.
Are you scared of it?
JBM, John Bob Millwright. Oh gosh, that's awesome. That is awesome. We're putting this up. We're putting this video out right away.
Yeah. Oh!
Rick, the wind is terrible.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Crooked view.
Hey, go, my goggles are still on.
Oh man, hope I didn't break my antenna on my mic.
You did it, yeah.
I hope not. Hopefully it's still working. I guess we'll find out, eh? All right, well, we're gonna go. Thanks, buddy. Say thank you, please.
Thank you.
And thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for the support. Really appreciate it. Everybody take care. Be safe.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what's your favorite video. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss one of our videos.
Yeah. All right. TazMan
And LiL Taz
are rolling. Thanks everybody for watching. Everybody go check out John Bob Millwright. Go check out his channel. Aaron Lynch, go check him out. Go check those guys out from West Virginia. Pretty awesome. Thank you guys so much. Love you all. Be safe. Take care. Roll on.